Hello everybody, it's Lacy here from Air to Earth. So I'm going to be doing a video on how to go camping to your destination we usually go camping like every year for 2 weeks, and we bring everything with us. We travel by plane and we bring all of our camping gear, and then we go to our destination. We do a lot of car camping. So we bring everything with us, and I want to go over what we bring with us. So this is more of a tutorial. I will go over how we pack and what we bring on the plane with us, what we ship through, so how we handle all of those details. Because the key to this is that you are prepared. So I will also include, I have like packing lists, so you know what to bring and what you have with you, because you are car camping and you're continually like literally packing up your home and going. So I'm first of all going to go through our house bag. So everything in here is what we need to have shelter and sleep outside in a tent. So I'm going to go through everything. We've been doing this now for 10 years, and I feel like I pretty much have it down. So let's go through our bag here. I'm going to open this up. We use a duffel bag like this. It does have wheels. The weight of this bag is 40 pounds, and so it still is under that weight limit. This is a bag that we ship through. And so in here we have our towels. Everything is in like little bags, compartments, everything. So in here we have, I really like the ANGUS towels. They come in their own little zip bag here. And the ANGUS towels, they're like super absorbent. They have a little clip on them. And then you can just hang it on your bag. When you get to your destination, you can hang it on like a tree, anything. So that works really good. We have 2 small ones for doing dishes, and then we have the larger beach ones that we bring to the shower with us. So that is in this bag. And then we have our sleeping bags in a compression sack. So we really compress this down. We just shove everything in there, and this is our sleeping bag. So there's 2 of us. It's my husband and I that go every year. And so we have 2 sleeping bags in that bag. And then we also have our tent in this bag. And so it's in another compression sack. And it's a dry sack. And then if we do any water activities, we can use this as well. So you want to find things that basically serve 2 purposes if possible. So we use that. And then our pillows. So I don't know about you, but you're sleeping on, a foam mattress, basically an air mattress. And I personally have like neck issues. I mean, even at home, like I have challenges with pillows. So I've found that both of these pillows are awesome. These are from the brand on them is, I don't know what the brand is. I'll put it in the notes. But these work great. It's NEMO. NEMO is the brand. And they're air sacks. You just literally, they flatten out. You pump them up with, just like blowing in there. And you can also, if you need it a little bit more, you can put your jacket in there, your poofy coat, if you need a little bit more poof. So we have 2 of those. This one also has a little foam thing in it. So they work really good. Really lightweight. All this stuff weighs 40 pounds, you guys, in this bag. Then we have the NEMO. This is the tents are insulated. So I use this to sleep on. It works really good. And you can also double up as a raft. So if you are doing any water activities, if you need a survival raft, you got it in there. This isn't a necessity, but it works really good. I like to use this silk cocoon. and it's 100% silk. And silk is a great material when you're traveling because it breathes, it's warm as well, and it feels good to the touch. It's really, really lightweight. So this is my like sleeping bag liner. So that's in there as well. And then I also, this is not a necessity as well, but I'm a side sleeper and I have to have like something I'm like hugging when I am going to sleep because I have a body pillow normally at home. And this is super awesome. It's a body pillow that blows up and it's not full length. It's 4 feet long and it works really good. So I would highly recommend that. I got it off of Amazon. And then also in this bag, so you want a bag that has a lot of pockets. In here we have duct tape because why? Because MacGyver used duct tape and he fixed like everything with a paper clip and duct tape. And so duct tape, you can use it for anything. I mean, you can see we have duct tape on our bag here. I mean, it just is awesome stuff. And then our tent stakes, they are in here. What else is in here? Let's see, before we get to the other compartment. But there are more compartments in here and we usually fill them. First aid kit. So I'm a labeler, I label everything. So I just put everything in like little pouches, little bags, because why I like little bags. So I have safety pins on here. So think smart, you guys, like what would you possibly need if you have to survive out in the wilderness? Paper clips, or not paper clips, what are these? Safety pins. So if you need to, if you get, you have to wrap a wound or something, you're gonna have to safety pin it shut. Let's say you eat too much and your button flies off. I don't know. Anyway, but there's a lot of uses for that. So in here I have, your typical like first aid stuff and Vaseline for if you have, if you get blisters from hiking, which definitely has happened. I have a field repair kit for seams in your jackets and stuff like that. More medical tape and, there's like cloths in here, like anything that you would have in your first aid kit is in there. So then we go to the bottom of this bag because it has a zip out. It's actually a gear bag, like for, when you have ski boots or whatever. So on the bottom here is more fun stuff. We have invested in these HELINOX chairs, and because in the past we had to go to thrift stores and get our chairs and then we would drop them off at another thrift store, so we just decided like that's a necessity. This is not something you have to bring because you can always sit on a log or whatever by the fire, so you can kind of make do if you don't have the space. So this might not be a necessity to everybody, but HELINOX makes a really awesome lightweight bag. So, chair. So we have 2 of those again, because there's 2 of us. Our tent stakes. And then we also have, my husband is in his late 40s at this point, and he had like abdominal surgery. So he has challenges sleeping on the ground, which a lot of people do. And so he has also invested in this really lightweight cot. And so it sets up in like 2 minutes. It works great. He loves it. So that's in this bag as well. And then, no camper can go without the ENO. And this is the HAMMOCK. We bring this with us wherever we go, and we have used it when we're on a trail. We bring it with us and we just put it like between 2 trees and have a really nice day just lazing around by a river. This thing is awesome. And this is the double hammock. So that's in that bag too. So all of like pretty much our whole entire house is in this bag, and we do check this through and it is 40 pounds. So that's in that bag. So that's our house.